Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Boiled eggs, they're really steamed though. So I've got a couple, about a centimetre, so about less than half an inch of water. You want it to at a rapid boil, and you want your eggs at room temperature, and then I just put my eggs in a strainer like that, and you want the eggs to be not touching the water if possible, because they can crack. But anyway, then we get a piece of foil on to seal and lid on top, and then I set my timer for 11 minutes. So when the eggs have had their 11 minutes, we just want to get them off the stove into some cold water, and then of course get the pan off the heat, let them cool down a bit, or you can let them cool down completely if you like. And then when they're kind of cool enough, what you'd want to do is just turn that seed just to trickle to keep the water moving. But you want to make sure you really crack all over, and then most important thing is doing this rolling motion, which is super important because it releases the membrane from the surface of the egg and just makes it easier to peel. And I wish I could say this was 100% foolproof, but occasionally you will get eggs that are just a bit too hard, that are a bit tricky to peel. And then you just run it under the cold tap, and actually starting at the bottom of the egg is usually easiest. That's where the biggest air cell is. And so you want to actually break that membrane, and it should just start to peel off really easily like that. And if you find that it's not peeling, sometimes giving it an extra roll to loosen that membrane can help. Beautiful. Yeah, and then you get it going like that and it feels amazing, and you got your perfect boiled egg. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.